Most people swipe without understanding who is actually paying who.
Today we are breaking down exactly how credit cards actually works.
By the end of this, you will see it differently. Let us get into it. Let us start with the problem most people do not know they have.
The financial system is designed around the assumption that you will not read the small print. Most people do not.
That assumption costs the average person thousands of dollars every single year.
Before anything else, let us define what we are actually talking about.
At its core, how credit cards actually work comes down to one simple idea: money flows, and whoever understands the flow controls the outcome.
Once you see the mechanics clearly, the right decision becomes obvious.
Here is the actual money flow. Follow this carefully.
At each step, there is a transaction. And at each transaction, someone earns a fee or a margin.
The question is, are you the one earning, or the one paying?
Let us look at the actual numbers. This is where most people get surprised.
A 1% difference does not sound like much. But over 10 years, that 1% becomes tens of thousands of dollars.
Run these numbers yourself. The result changes how you see every financial decision you make.
Let us look at two people. Same income. Same starting point. Very different outcomes.
Person A follows the default. They accept the first option offered without questioning it.
Person B asks one extra question. Over 5 years, the gap between them is significant.
Here is something the industry would prefer you did not think about too hard.
Every financial product is designed to be profitable for the company offering it. That is not a criticism. That is just how business works.
Understanding how they make money tells you exactly where to pay attention. Here are 3 rules that shift the outcome in your favor. Rule 1. Understand exactly what you are agreeing to before you sign. Rule 2. Run your own numbers before accepting any default. Rule 3. Focus on the total cost, not the monthly payment. These 3 rules apply to almost every financial decision you will ever make.
Let us extend the timeline. What does this look like over 10 years?
Year 1 looks small. Year 5 starts to look interesting. Year 10 is where most people wish they had started earlier.
Compounding works in both directions. Understanding that early is the most valuable thing you can do.
Here is a simple timeline you can follow starting today.
In month 1, understand your current position. In month 3, make one structural change. In month 12, review the outcome and adjust.
You do not need to do everything at once. One change, consistently applied, is enough to start.
Here is something most people miss. This topic connects directly to your credit score.
Your credit score is a record of how you handle financial obligations over time. How you handle this topic affects that score.
A 50-point difference in your credit score can cost or save you thousands on a mortgage. That is not a small number.
Here are the 5 mistakes that come up most often. You have probably made at least one of them.
Mistake 1. Accepting the default without reading the terms. Mistake 2. Focusing on the monthly payment instead of the total cost. Mistake 3. Waiting until something goes wrong before paying attention.
Mistakes 4 and 5 are even more common and even more expensive. And they are completely avoidable.
Let us bring everything together.
You now understand the real mechanics of how credit cards actually work. You can see where the money flows, where the risk sits, and what to do about it.
3 rules. A clear timeline. And the numbers to back it all up. That is what you have now. Thank you for watching Smart Money Decisions.
If this helped, subscribe for more finance explained simply.
Stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.